Munsem mene wedding komo na wotwe bebre. In fact, since I come for noche issue no ebaya CEO no and then the management I can't say ho abo apeso no. There are certain projects near there me dan na di wa ha me kire ye say ye ya ebeboa yen including Afari Sewia and other projects aka esi etimi ehwe ne wie. Na enra ade esi ye no na eya me nwanwa kakra, but as usual Ghana on say bibia na ye pese ye dane ne politics no ma ehia wo man no ne de amanyosem awuram se be ya ade no se de esi kan no akoteki political tone na say ni nyina bra Facebook be hade. This is the minority in parliament ya. One of your wadrin say, I mean, health committee, no, minority for was name minority MPs ni bi. Ego madrin so mo call Afari military hospital. Na one more kurem akoshe and normal a wohone said ye a hunsem esi aircron. Dear esi hono enie. If you just say asokore, mrashe bedwani, eye yura a you a free ye. Any sreni anu ye. Any said ye ntawantawa esi wo hono na nyasem ketwa. But bra Facebook be radio.
Has the minority
DC, you know, DC about
I just want to get it for you now. Oba behwe ntawantawa na ekoso anu yiye na anu ayeden wo.
Yes. The MC has come to threaten her.
So who gave you the authority?
But at the end of the day, I'm working for you.
You're not working for anybody.
You're not working for anybody. Yes, I deal with.
Don't ask me that question.
Whatever Facebook be had the MP any sojani no nyasem ketwa ho.
But say you have a minister.
Don't ask me that.
Almost can you yes I deal with.
Don't ask me that. So you wouldn't
your project ongoing. We came here. We came here.
MP versus the soldier. Tien komoni yepa.
But say you have a minister.
Don't ask me that.
Almost can you yes I deal with.
Don't ask me that.
Your project ongoing. We came here. Yeah, but 2024. We came here.
Dear AC Honey na Oshe MP minority MP na you a free ye any Australian ni anuri ya na ekoso na chese ohwe asoja ni nsi da bi yen ye bo ha ho bai ye ma mo kwan bewuram wa bra mu nkura permission na ose chinchina a ompese o mu wuram na omo ye adwuma de ama oman no soja ni se wo ye adwuma ma ose ye adwuma ma wo soja ni se wo ye adwuma ma me. But as we seek permission, that is the military man na say what can I say? Munkura any permit be as a mutimi be wura. Are you a free yen so say a public place? And I say baby I say ubi a timi grant omo ba wo mutimi wura. And o sha no bi ya na e koso na ano e den papa. Na Jeff screen for me. Na o sha ne e koso ya. Ensempi ne ba betrim. Safa ba no a MP for I think say Obuasi East or so na order no fato so mame MP no minority MP no wanya abotre timi akodo pa. In fact menim kura so yekuani waya ade wado na odo e wo ho no mu esiesie ho se ehwafu odo eye Obuasi East Patrick Boachi Yadom fane de no nso ma me Jeff na odo wo ho no ukura ne sekan a odo ese hwafu nti yesi ye ho yi aha MP nini oba Facebook a menim kura so odo sekan no so de ye mono pa won se sticker ni nyina da so ta ho ese sekan ne no da wo de hwe sticker na ta ho kama no sekan no no da enka wura da eye mono for the hospital se ye de do ho ese otimi se odo a Yanyama hospital na sabri no ano eden say yetimi yo no wodo no MP mu a ugina ho ukuram odo nyasem ketua na omudruwa na entry na yeden no na etwa se ado no nso ebam poyando ekopie baabi a cement ya yedi egu ho a essay nyasem ketua. This is not the first time I show visuals of Afari ni de ekeka ho ma show wa ha aka ho asem ama yewura minta kando se etwaso oye no otimi ehweme ye operationalize those hospitals no dey adwuma maka ho asem ha. I've advocated a lot on that. Cement ne gu ho ani nyina asɛn no cement wenya ne cement wetimi so edi years ene gu no ena putobu bre ni ade nyina eya o man ni sika o taxpayers money bra Facebook be hwa de cement ya po yando so wahu wo aso wahu wo so wo ni wo huri no na say utumi se cement ni nyina gu a essay ama Ghana. This is Ghana for you. This is Ghana for you. Na ne akoso a eno nti we mpesa meka ho asem ne say I respect the NPP's attempt to say as opposition party any minority no umbehwe say aban we umbema na ya accountable do agina ne na so. I respect that. But you can't do the right things in the wrong way. You can't do the right things in the wrong way. Undermining everything. E madye wo ye no. So animunyam no ekofem. Yes, it's a public facility there. But it's not operational yet. Emfidie gum ayarefo na ho anasefo ni ho adwumayefo ni ho. Enti etwase enye security a omo bo ho ban. Enye se omo makwan ma yewurawura mu basabasa. That one is common logic. Eye nyansa, eye common sense. So you can't just walk in say me pese me wura Afari wonti me wura me ko. No. There are sensitive machines and equipment inside there. It just your bo by. If anything goes missing, see a makwan obia those things. Edwumayfo ni wokron be guiding crofo. Hospital be anywhere be wura mu abeka say e bi kra wo ko excursion. Workers ni ho a won be guide you through. You have to seek permission. Edwuma bi anywhere be wura mu tse multimedia wo hey. Ufiti ya no apie adan ya me behwe multimedia se de tie. Anase Ghana Revenue Authority office bi no awuram adan ya me behwe se de. No. You need to seek permission because equipment wom no ma wom a obi kura awuram omo amode omo koye ankrofo edi mo achi se obi kofa bibi anase obi kura no essay bibi wo ho a who will be responsible? It's the regional minister and of course the MC for the area. Any mpenifo e dan no say wonum be yi anom. And so it's common logic that you seek permission before ubenya entry to such places. And today na ekoso ye ase ebi su bi mada ase bibi fufuro bi na esi na de so de ni ne kasa no o say where is your permission? Did you seek permission? O say your public place intimeba. So the means what permission? Say be a person because a public place there, but you just you can't just enter like that. Untimi muramusa. And somebody be chill so cry na say just say de on kakra chill. So bibia ne de ayamanyosem ade a ye kan ya ye pese Afari se wia ani ade no ye ni yie na yetumi ma ne ye adwuma ma ye no won say e mo akowura ma ade na ye politics on say manfo eye na MPP fo akone yapam na se wia on say e de politics abebata ade no a ye nyina ye press ye betwe aban yi na watumi aye ne ntentem so de ama ye no. What is new here? What is new here? A dear pa na ye foforo ewuwem de e happen. Is it not the same modular? Nana do danko Akufo-Addo apenso na akando ene na pamfo pese wo mko okujoto ablakwa mu nyina kan wo pese wo mko same facility ekohwe se adwuma no Akufo-Addo won toa so asa yaka ho no a saa bre na sojafo stop wo mu the same way. Come to Facebook okujoto ablakwa na gina ho no Sam George musu na gina ho no brabe ha de they stopped him. Where's a sojani e kan enrad the same words na sojani we so ka.
You are an MP. You work every day. The contractor doesn't work every day. So we just want today is a holiday. He's not who we represent. Their monies have been sunk in here. We want to see the value of work that has been done. We will not be stopped. Call media engagement there. Except you are going to open fire on us as members of parliament. If your instructions, you are cutting. If your instructions, we will get to the end. Except your instructions are to open fire on us.
Where you could tell Black Sam George and other minority MPs and now one person who correct projects Akufo-Addo enye na on to us that time military for no stop him said there be even at all that time Krano said military didn't say a sacra and so class a holiday. Apart from that, we a candle. Ebra onso yes wo moko health committee no minority health committee said you we mo abaya omuso inspect Afari any other facilities a yenwie ye no a na do danko Akufo-Addo apenso won to aso no. This is it. Tie akando.
You have seen the project satisfied. This one is very devastating. I think that somebody must answer questions. Very disheartening. I didn't know the seriousness of the issue all this while. Look at what is happening here. I mean, you and I will have to pay for the loan for this particular facility.
Enti wura EBS pay. We omukwa o manya kwa nwuramu.
But
adan no ye mia mo ma nwuram. Enti ombe gina abonti utumi se mu yawo ene on de kasa no. But sabre no see politicians na de bia na meka no. You see sabre na kando e filis wo do bi magana. Or see wickedness as a dino see what I say and then akando o can say we are all can for crass one tea. As akando na ka say you Sabra see Akufo-Addo and I when you and now mu ye wicked but the now would a health minister the Afari awuko gina ho ne say we are now awuko gina ho et said the tie no for 1 year on e dey na watumi aya fa ho afei dey ese ye 2026 nkwa wie dey ne aye. Oh, politicians, the person what they say. So when you MPP when this in them free word dream, politicians are playing games with our minds. Omo dey adwene e diagro. We under Akufo-Addo bra kan doko ho. Or ya worried say we are na Afari ni ade emi. Be na wo koka na ye bejiro. Ye bejiro said ye waka de esu bi mada. Enti minority na mo ko ho nra no. Same rules am apply ye ebra okujoto ablakwa Sam George mo ne akando mo ko so mo ko facilities no same rules na mo apply ye say ese bohobon by because ye operationalize ye nkrofo ni we security ni mo mfidie ni de wo won by no wo be ko wa se unya permission who have permitted you no ebi no mo so aka kire mo say uhia permission. This is common logic. It was good then. It is good today because the fact is that enfidie guo yentimi ma obi anwuramu keke na de bia obi akwaba esa bambo ya adwuma na obi anwuramu akwaba na eja to a public place obi anko de a ebe wi ase enfidie ni ira who will be accountable for it. Enti we ya de ese mote ase simple de na ekrom na no I can de de na ekrom na I can de. You see over 40 MPs are na muwa Ashanti region MPP mufa dodo afei na mo try somebody reconnected with the Ashanti region first ani ye catch them mo na mo MPs dodo wa ha Komfanochi hill Komfanochi otumfo te kokoso e de asini na so so wo hwese e be hili Komfanochi mo MPs na mo wa Ashanti region anyina that time or lunch wiye how many of you helped Musimo do Asante by how many of you MPs amu Ashanti region and amu bua hill Komfanochi project or take okosu ankasa esi Komfanochi sofa he came in say yanyi jinto buam famwa MPs no amu nam ha sesi no mumu hwan the contributed to hill Komfanochi project and then you have the audacity to go around and there because opposition are there mami nye dede it's noise It's noise. Sabia no 2 year he confanoche no. Na Akufo Addo wa ban mu no. Afari na wo ho, Sewia na wo ho de enwie. And for 8 years you came to meet this. Mu andwira Santeman ho. You never thought of Santeman. Afeni akogina na ye ko ukohwe na ye den. Ukọ ho na ukohwe na ya wi. When you had the opportunity to do it, over 40 MPs, what did you do? After all that, Musa beye mfuturo ma yeso am interchange kwan no. Me say no many be wo ha, munyai ma ye nkan. You see, when you come, credibility matters. Enipa all ye bibi, nipa all kasem ni credibility. And the man asem ni all ye no, yetimi jitum. But when it comes to the development of Asante, where is your credibility as MPP MPs in Ashanti region? You heavily disappointed us. When you swami, say we are mujano, Afari, ni wenda, and na to na uko na heading. This is hypocrisy. This is hypocrisy. Esa na ye did say omunya hospitals no omo operationalize na emwa konfanoche ne ade ye did no na mo di wei amanyosem abekata so na afi ade na dane politics na de ye prama Asanteman no na aye bibie wo enya mo niwu se mo ne nam ho se yenwie opposition de ye the job of the opposition say obe hold the government na accountable, but no many people who would say sheer hypocrisy. You are just making noise. It's good to speak up, but when it's noise, the noise you are making is empty. Too much. And it's a move bibi ya. Here come for not project. The gusua munya contribution fanko. MPP MPs no in Ashanti region. Munya contribution fanko. Fena wo yeto. Enye mo ni wu. Disappointed Asante. Samuwi. And Dr. Frank Amwako hene. Ena mo home kura mu ntimi home. Mu hu na ayamhihye atomoso. Enti yesi nkrofo bi petition bi se mo de petition cause wo mu nyini mfiri wo ye nyini mfiri so as a regional minister. Now who buy and dear pa na aye. Dear pa na aye ye di wo se si ubu akasa me yewe ma Santeman a me de me se si me bo a kire se is better. Onu we try just 1 year and some months people in your 8 years. Now fees won no so benya 8 years now be hu de why. And I wunya the years now wunya no. Then you measure her accordingly. Say social media wakoka we anyway. Now oba no beka sa asem no kire no no social media ene eba na no ya edwoso omukoye games yi amwako hini kura football na obi a sheda circle sebe ne be ma ho amwako hini be ma ho. Jeff, give me the picture if you can get it. Wa circle amwako hini be ma ho actually say very little the be ma no say sha minister, a whole minister, somebody omo ye ne sa fa picture no e circle ne be ma ho de be two social media say hwe ne be ma kitikiti na mo ene we no oka we no oba na be ka de anya kire no na wa reply onu kura de osi kuma kire say o kire little ba ko no kura de mo representing the pennies ne be ma mo de amwako ne be ma di natem ade won de onye nipa onye nipa. You see that hypocrisy ni ade amempe. Na me say Mampeni John Dramani Mama act on this particular bogus petition and crophobidia corner. Ne ho be me ngwa papa. Ne ho be me mama papa. U obi yanka ye nra. Enye ne. Ebusuya me ba.
Oh yeah! Come on! Nhyira
104.5
And now, who you want some?
Oh yeah! Come on! Nhyira
104.5